Good morning. We are going to start a new lesson today. Lesson number 5, Arithmetic Progression. Just I'll give one sequence. Here it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. And then one more 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, etc. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. up to 10. Okay. Can you find anything from this sequence? Anything common or something else can you find out? Now look, 2 plus 2 you will get 4. Then 4 plus 2 you will get 6. 6 plus 2 you will get 8. 8 plus 2 you will get 10. Clear? You take the next one then. 100 plus what? 100 you will get 200. 200 plus 100 you will get 300. 300 plus 100 you will get 400. 400 plus 100 you will get the answer 500, etc. And what the next one then? What is this one called? It is counting numbers or natural numbers. What about this one then? If you add plus 1, 1 plus 1, you will get the answer 2. 2 plus 1, you will get the answer 3. 3 plus 1, you will get the answer 4. 4 plus 1, you will get the answer 5. 5 plus 1, you will get the answer 6. 6 plus 1, you will get the answer 7. Go soon. Clear? So something is special, I think, for each section. So when you add a definite number or a common number to first term with that common number, you got the second term. With that definite number or the common number, if you add the second term with that number, you got the third term. Right? Then third term plus that, what that number, common number, it you got as fourth term. Clear? So it goes on. Take the next and the third one also. Same thing. Means same number is adding, you will get the next term. Now here we will call each number as a term. Okay. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, etc. Clear? So we will write the notes now. So you have to write this example and then start. Each of the numbers in this list or in the list is called terms. Means each term, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, fourth term, fifth term, etc. So each of the numbers in the list is called terms. Next one, in all these sequence, we can see that successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. In all these sequence or in all the list, it will be better. We started with the list. Okay, we will write it as list. In all the list, we can see that what we can see. In all the list, what we can see? We can see that successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number. Successive term, now look, 4 and preceding term is 2, right? Here 6 is a successive term, preceding term is 4, right? So what they told you? By adding a fixed number, successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. So this is the preceding term, this is a successive term, right? So adding a fixed number, here 2 is a fixed number. We are adding with the 2 plus 2, you got 4. Then again 4 plus 2, next successive is 6. right? The preceding is 4. Again 6 plus 2, you got 8. Preceding, successive, and then common number or a fixed number. Here also, which is the fixed number? It is 100. Here also 100. It is all the things you add with 100, you got this answer. Right? Here this one is the succeeding, this is the preceding. Right? So, common number. What? Adding a fixed number to the preceding. So, to the preceding is 100. 100 plus 100, you got 200. Again 200 plus 100, you got 300. Clear? Same what we did. Here also 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Like that it goes on. Then what is the next one then? So, such a list of numbers is said to form an arithmetic progression. So, this list of numbers, what are the conditions? 2 conditions are there. Which one? First one, what? There should be a fixed number to what? Find the next number. First number will be there. Then second number, how will you find out? Just add with a fixed number. So, same number should be added to the third from the second. Clear? So, like that it will be called as an arithmetic progression. So, these are all examples for AP, arithmetic progression. Short form we are telling as AP. Okay, this is the correct definition you have to write. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. First term always it will be there, right? So, what they told you, adding a fixed number to the preceding term to find out what? The succeeding term. So, same thing. Here look, 10 plus 0, you will get 10. So, what you added? Plus 0 you added. Means 0 you added, right? So, you will find out now. Next one then. This fixed number is called the common difference. That you have to learn. This fixed number is called the common difference of the AP, and common difference can be positive, negative or 0. So, just look now. And one more thing, common difference is denoted by small letter d. Okay. So, what is the common difference? Now, look, this fixed number. Then they told you it may be positive or negative or 0. So, this one just look, here common difference is what? 0. When you add the preceding term with 0, you will get the succeed term. So, how will you get the next term? You have to add the common difference with the preceding term. You will get the next term. So, same thing here, just look, 100, 70, 40, 10, etc. Just look, 100 plus negative 30, you will get the answer 70. Right? Yes or no? Yes. So, 100 plus negative 30. 7, will you get 70 plus 30, you will get 40? No. Right? So, preceding term you are adding negative 30. 70 plus negative 30, you will get 40. 40 plus negative 30, you will get answer 10. So, which is the common difference there? Negative 30 is the common difference. Clear? So, that is D. Here D is negative 30. Here D is 0. What are the next one then? Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. So, what is the next thing? How will you find out? You want to find out the first term is negative 3, right? What number you have to add? You will get the answer negative 2. Negative 3 plus dash, you have to get the answer negative 2. Right? First term, second term. How will you do? It is negative 3 plus 1, you will get negative 2. So, plus 1 or 1 is the answer. Common difference is 1. So, negative 1 plus 1, you will get the answer 0. So, here it is 1 is what? D is equal to common difference, and common difference is 1. Clear? So, what all things you have to remember? Only one thing you have to remember, only common difference. Right? How will you get the common difference? Now, here just first term plus common difference, you will get the second term. Second term plus common difference, you will get the third term. third term plus common difference, you will get the fourth term. Then how will you get the first common difference? Now look, 70 minus, will you get, it is 100, 70 minus 30, will you get the 100? 70 minus, then again negative 30 is there. So 70 minus negative 30, what will you get? 70 plus 30, will get the answer 100. What I did? Second term minus first term. Two things I told you. Now look, here it is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Right? Yes or no? Yes. What is it? So here also I told you it is 100 plus negative 30 or plus 1 will take. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Right? So here 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Right? Again what we can write then? It is 7 minus 5, we can write it as 2. Right? So same way what we can do? Here 100 plus negative 30 is equal to 70. So what we can write then? It is 70 minus negative 30, you will get the answer 100. Right? 70, here look, 100 is the first term here. It is the first term. Here this is the common difference. You got the second term. Right? Again we have to change with the minus. How will you do? It is the second term minus common difference. You got the first term. Clear? Again what we can say? If it is, what we can say? Second term minus first term, will you get the answer? Common difference. 70 minus 100, what will you get the answer? Negative 30 you will get. That is a common difference. Right? So if you want the common difference means what you can do? Second term minus first term, you will get the answer. Common difference. Second term minus first term. That means negative 2 minus first term. Here it is negative 2 plus 3, you will get the answer 1. Right? Here just look, I told you it is. So, what all things you have to remember? These are all the things we can do when this list of numbers should be in arithmetic progression. So, in the arithmetic progression, what all things you have to remember? First thing, they should be in order. Order means what? One fixed number should be there to what? To find the next number. That fixed number is called what? Common difference D. Now, two examples I had given you. First example 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. Next one 6, 3, 0, negative 3, etc. So, examples. Right? Okay. What can you say? What is the common difference? Here, easily you will tell that 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 50. Right? Then how will you write it as? D is equal to second term minus first term. What is the answer for that? Second term minus first term. Second term is what? 9 minus first term is 6. What will you get that? 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 you got. Again common difference, again if you want means again you can check. Third term minus third term minus preceding term is 9. So it is second term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, etc. Okay, that are the names for that. Okay, so it's third term minus previous one is second term. What will you get the answer then? It is third term, it is 12. 12 minus 9. What will you get? 12 minus 9. You will get the answer 3. Right? Again one more number is there. D is equal to, here it is fourth term. So fourth term minus what? You will get the answer third term. So fourth term minus third term, what will you get? The common difference you will get. Fourth term is 15 minus third term is 12. What will you get the answer? You will get the answer 3. Right? So these all the things are belongs to the first question. Right? What are the next question then? Here we will find out now. D, common difference we are going to find out. D is equal to, first what you should do? No need to touch the first term. Just take the second term first. So second term minus first term. What will you get? Second term is what? 3. 3 minus first term is 6. What will you get the answer? Negative 3. Here the common difference is negative 3. What is the next one then? Here next one common difference. It is the third term minus second term. Third term is what? It is 0. 0 minus second term is 3. What will you get the answer? You will get the answer negative 3. Again what you can write? D. Fourth term minus what? Third term. What will you get the answer? Fourth term is negative 3 minus 0. What will you get the answer? Negative 3. Just look. Here the common difference is negative 3. Here the common difference is positive 3. How did you find out this common difference? Second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. Fourth term minus third term. What are the 10th term? How will you find out? Right? What are the 10th term and 11th term is there? How will you find the common difference? 11th term minus 10th term. Like that you have to do. So you can find out D like this. Now what are the things we are going to do is, instead of writing the second term, first term, third term, etc., we are going to give them alphabets with the numbers. Here look, this first term is called as A or A1 we will write. Clear? Second term we will call it as A2. Third term we will call it as A3. And fourth term we will call it as A4. And the first term, it has two names. What is that? A or A1. When you are finding a common difference, we are always taking the first term as A1. Okay. When you find out the common difference, so you will find out, how will you find out? Second term. Second term means A2 minus A1. First term is A1. Right? For finding the common difference, we are using, instead of A, we are telling that it is A1. Clear? You should think about A and A1 should be the same first number. Clear? So here it is A2 minus A1. What is this one? How will you write it? Third term minus second term. It is A3 minus A2. What are the next one? Fourth term minus third term. Fourth term means it is A4 minus A3. That will be the common difference. Clear? Here also we can do second term A2. A2 minus first term, it is A1. Then next one A3 minus A2. Fourth term A4 minus A3. This is the way you can find out the common difference. Now look, there is an example is given. 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. Already given it is. So I told you how to write it. So we write it the notes like this. The first term of an AP is called as A or A1. Here this 6 can be written as A or A1. A1 how will you write? A small letter and then down you have to write 1. Okay, A1. Next one A2. Clear? Okay. Now second term. The second term of an AP is called A2. So here what is the next one? 9 is A2. Then the third term of an AP is called A3. Here it is A3. And then the fourth term of an AP is called A4. It is A4. If ninth term of an AP is A9. The 100th term of an AP is A100. The nth term of an AP is AN. Clear? So that also we will write. The nth term of an AP means at the end. It goes on. Here it is goes on. The nth term of an AP is called as what? It is AN. Clear? Now from this example, what we can say? From this example, A1 is what? A1 is equal to, or A is equal to A1, and it is 6. Right? Then what are the next one? A2 is, what is A2? It is 9. Right? A3 is 12, and A4 is 15. Okay, now we will start with the general form of an AP. It is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. What is the meaning of this one? We will take this example first. First number is A is what? A is equal to 6. Second number, how will you find out the second number? This is A2. How will you find out the second number? It is A2 is equal to A plus D. Okay. How will you find out A2 here? A is 6. What is the common difference you got? Already you told that it is D is equal to what? D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? Here 9 minus 6. You will get the answer 3. Again, if you have to confirm means what you can do? Next one you can do A3 minus A2. What will you get? A3 minus A2? A3 means third term. 12 minus A2 is 9. What will you get the answer? 3. Clear? So here D is equal to 3. So what is the next term then? 6 plus 3. You will get the answer 9. Second term is A plus D. Third term, how will you find out? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Here A means it is 6 plus 2 into D is 3. It will get 6 plus 6. You will get the answer 12. So A3 is 12. This one A3 is 12. How will you find out A4? A4 means it is, just look. Here A2 means A plus D, A plus 1D. Here A3 means A plus 2D. Means here 3 minus 1, it will get 2 here. 2 minus 1, you will get here 1D. Same way what you can do here. A plus 4 minus 1, 3D. So here it is A is 6 plus 3 into D is 3. 6 plus 9. What will you get the answer? 15. How will you find out the next term? Here it is A for 15, A5. How will you find out A5? It is A plus, here 5 minus 1, it is 4D. Is equal to, how much is A? 6 plus 4 into D is 3. So it is 6 plus 12. You will get the answer 18. Clear? Like that you have to find out. So once again I will just explain. Okay. So here it is, just look. First term, second term, third term is there. Fourth term also is there. Right? So first term is called A1, A2, A3, etc. First term is A1. A1 or A we can say. This one is second term is A2. Third term is A3. This fourth term is A4. The name is that A1, A2, A3, A4. Clear? Here A1 can also written as A. Same thing. Now first what you have to find out? For the general form what you are going to do? First you will find out D. How will you find out D? D is equal to second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. D, what will you get? D is equal to A2 means 9 minus 6. You will get the answer 3. Then again, if you want me, so you can confirm it by A3 minus third term minus second term. A2. 12 minus 9. We will get the answer 3. So D is equal to 3 you will get. Okay. Now, general form is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. What is the use of this one? Because sometimes they will ask you to find out next terms. Suppose you want to find out, here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. They ask you to find out fifth term. How will you find out? Means you have to find out fifth term means A5 you have to find out. Okay, that one I am going to show you. So, first A means what? A is 6. Right? A plus D. A plus D means it is second term. A2. A2 how will you find out? A plus D. It will be 6 plus D is 3. You will get the answer 9. Right? This is second term. Just I am showing how to find out. Okay. The next one A3. A plus 3 minus 1 2D you have to take. It will be A means 6 plus 2 into D is 3 equals 6 plus 6. You will get the answer 12. Now A4 fourth term. A plus 3D equals A is 6 plus 3 into what? 3 into D is 3. You will get the answer 6 plus 9. You will get the answer 15. Right? Next one A5. How will you find out? A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is equal to 6 plus 4 into D is 3. 6 plus 12. You will get the answer 18. Clear? If you want the next one, A6, how will you find out? Sixth term, it is A plus 5D. Right? So, it will be A6 means A plus A is 6 plus 5 into D is 3. So, it is 6 plus 15. You will get the answer 21. If you find the 10th term, what you should do? A10. It will be A plus 10 minus 1, it is 9D. It will be A is 6 plus 9 into D is 3. Right? So, it will be 6 plus 27. What is 6 plus 27? 26 plus 6 is 32. It is 33 you will get. Okay. So, this is the way you have to find out how many terms or which term you have to find out. You can do like this. 15th term. So, you can find out A plus 14D. If you know D and A means it will be okay. Clear? So, the general form of APS form of an APS A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, etc. You can find out the first term. First term already they will give you. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, etc. Right? Fifth term means it should be 4D. So, if you want 20th term means what you can do? A plus 19D. Clear? Okay. So, this is a general form. General form of an APS A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, etc. No need to worry about it. Just you have to find out the 15th term means it will be A plus 14D. Okay. So, like that you have to remember. Then, finite AP and infinite AP. Finite means you know, there are only finite number of terms. Such an AP is called finite AP. That means only this much will be there. Last term will be given. Okay. So, it will be finite AP. And then infinite means what? Infinite it will be. So, there will not be any last term. That is called infinite